Proteins and amino acids function follows form. A presentation by Kaya Cotton, Alicia Easterlin, Sierra Foster, Tangela Gallman, and Courtney Gaston. Why is protein important? Protein is a part of every cell and is needed in thousands of chemical reactions. It keeps us together structurally, it fights infections, and it balances water, nutrition, and muscle contractions. A lot of people think protein is only in beef, chicken, fish, or milk, but it's also in dried beans, peas, grains, nuts, and seeds and vegetables. When the diet lacks protein, the body breaks down tissue, such as muscle, organs, and other tissues. The lack of protein also makes more people vulnerable to infection and can lead to infection. Collagen and keratin are used to create structure. Antibodies are blood proteins that fight disease and infection. Enzymes speed up chemical reactions, especially during digestion. Hormones send chemical messages from one part of the body to the other. Functions in body proteins. Many proteins help maintain a stable pH level in the body. It also transports many important substances throughout the body, and when completely metabolized, proteins can be used for energy. Protein digestion and absorption. It's broken down into amino acids. It begins in the stomach with the use of pepsin, which is a protein digestion enzyme. It breaks down the protein to the amino acids, which forms polypeptides. Polypeptides move out the stomach into a small intestine. Pancreatic enzymes then break down the polypeptide with the help of brush border enzymes found in the duodenum and digest it into the bloodstream. Proteins in the diet. Protein intake of most Americans exceeds their RDA. RDA is recommended dietary allowance, is an accepted dietary standard position for protein. RDA states that we are consuming adequate energy and other nutrients to allow our bodies to use dietary protein for protein synthesis. Stress can increase the need for protein. Having an infection, burns, fever, or even surgery can cause higher need for protein, which you can need up to 2 to 4 times of the proteins because the situations are so intense. Animals and plants contains proteins. The quality of animal proteins differ from plant proteins. Animal food provides the whole amount of proteins, and Americans seem to think that being a vegetarian is not a good thing because they don't take in meat, but actually there are some plants that can give you the same amount of protein as meat. It is not a huge problem to worry about if you can take in about the same amount of both proteins. Proteins contribute to the taste of food. You can have protein and amino acids added in your food. In most cases in America that is done. The process is done to thicken, stabilize, and enhance the flavor. These supplements are mostly sold to dietitians, athletes, and people who suffer from certain diseases. Athletes, proteins, and supplements. Protein RDA is equal to 0.8 grams/kilograms a day of body weight, which is 160 pounds, which is also equal to 58.4 grams. An average athlete's diet is about 100 to 131 grams a day of protein. Michael Phelps' diet is 10,000 calories and 660 grams a day of protein. Supplements are BCAAs and casein protein synthesis, which are 30 to 100 grams per serving. Most supplement users already have sufficient protein intake. An excessive protein intake causes kidney failure, osteoporosis, and heart disease. A major workout is needed to process a 30 to 100 gram serving of protein. Additional proteins only benefit post-workout to repair damaged muscle.